What's that about?
Yeah. Although they might go raise
So now that I have your attention, we're going to eat that last meal. I think it's teriyaki something. So much food, guys. As usual, if you like what I'm doing, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. If you're interested in supporting the channel, there's links down below. Be adults about it. We'll do some commentary in a second, but let's get to the kitchen table. So if you've been following the series, first I ate the strawberry granola and milk, which was absolutely delicious. Yes, there's links below. Then I had for lunch the Mexican-style chicken bowl. This was super duper filling, guys. This was more food than I thought it was going to be. So today for lunch, I'm actually going to eat the Peak Fuel chicken teriyaki and rice. It has, let's see here, half of this package. It has 2 servings. Each serving is 580 calories. So if you ate this whole damn thing, it's basically all the food you'll need for, I don't know, some people like to use numbers like 3,000 calories per day because you're going to be prepping so hard during the apocalypse. To those people who have a problem with canola oil, how many calories did you eat today? I bet you can't even tell me. Now we're done with that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and eat this today. I'm going to get the bowl out so you guys can see what it is. The steps are simple. I will post the ingredients. This is all in kind of some weird stuff here, but I don't care because hopefully it just tastes good and gives me the fuel that I need. So let's go ahead and get a bowl. Okay, so we got this. We got the bowl for later when we finish this up. Got my magical spoon. These things are the greatest things since sliced bread. All right, I'm going to throw the spectacles on here. And what does it say? Open pouch at tear mark. Remove oxygen absorber. Very simple 4-step process. Carefully add 1 1/3 cup or 10.5 ounces of boiling water to the pouch. Yeah, that's because we carry measuring cups with us. We'll just, I'll look for a line someplace in here. I doubt there is one though. Let's see here. Stir well and zip pouch closed. Let stand for 10 minutes. Open pouch, stir again, and enjoy. Seems easy enough. Let's get into it. Oh, let's see here. Also, expiration on this is, or best buy, is April 2028. It's that little orange thingy right there. So once again, a 5-year shelf life. That's pretty freaking awesome. Big old tear. It's got it actually tears pretty easy, but I didn't do a very good job of it. That's all right. So we'll open this up. We're going to take out this because these things are delicious. There is a giant chunk of meat in there. That's pretty awesome. There's a bunch of it. This is actually kind of unique looking, guys. Let's take a harder look inside of there. Interesting. Okay, so 1 1/3 cups, precisely measured. We're going to pour that sucker in there. And there's no line inside, guys. So basically it looks like basically pour until everything is almost covered is what this came down to. We do see the bubbling. Things are starting to get soft already, breaking up. I'm already breaking up the rice in the bottom of it. It smells pretty good. One of the problems that I have with teriyaki on the teriyaki with freeze-dried or survival food is that it tends to taste really, really bad. And hopefully this one doesn't. The last one that I did was of Mountain House. There's a video. It's been so long I won't even reference it, but it's in my library somewhere. And it both smelled and tasted like hot dog water. Okay, so we're going to wait 10 minutes and we'll be right back. So the 10 minutes are up. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. We're going to open it up. It really absorbed a lot of the water. Smells halfway decent. We're going to go ahead and pour it in this bowl for you. We're supposed to stir it. So I'm going to stir it just so it gives it the benefit of the doubt on presentation. I'm going to stir it, and then we're going to pour it into this bowl so you guys can see what it looks like. Wow, it doesn't look bad. And this is 2 servings, supposedly. So I guess you get a lot of calories out of this stuff. I'm going to throw that over there, and there we go. And then we're going to give you your first looks at it. I mean, it really doesn't look that bad. We're going to give it a try, see what happens. I'm seeing the, we got, it's like this could be, I don't know if this is a carrot. What is it? That's a carrot. It's a little crunchy, but I mean, not like bad crunchy, like fresh crunchy. Let's try. There's lots of chunks of meat in this. I mean, it's just filled full of chicken. Not bad. Got the green vegetable. We got the right here. Got the green beans in there. Got to look like a little pepper or something. It's pretty good. All right, guys. Overall, for a camp meal, the teriyaki nailed it. I mean, it doesn't have that teriyaki sauce taste to it that you might be looking for, but or even like a duck sauce taste. Some people go after that too. But as far as all of the ingredients, the rice is not crunchy. So, I mean, overall, I would say this is a 9 out of 10. I'm going to go ahead and eat this for my lunch. Yes, I know it's 2 servings, but hey, fat kid's got to survive. We'll see you in a bit.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so guys, overall, chicken teriyaki rice, as I said before, 9 out of 10. Easy to eat. Rice was not crunchy like most of the either dehydrated or freeze-dried rice tends to be. Cooked exactly how it was. The water content was exactly 1 1/3 cups of boiling water. Worked perfectly. 580 calories. I will put the ingredients here someplace so that you guys can peruse over them. For all my finicky eaters, maybe this food isn't for you, but it is for me, and I'm going to be doing some serious contemplation if I want to replace my standard meal pack that I make myself. Let's see. I think that's going to be about it right now. Hopefully I'll be making some more videos about different subjects. If you like what I'm doing, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Also, PrepStock, guys, PrepStock. There's a commercial lead-in or a commercial trailer at the very end of this video. If you haven't seen it yet, take a look at it. PrepStock.net. Advanced tickets are on sale. You have to go through a special process, but you get to save a buttload of money. Good stuff. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. Oh, you're still here. Well, since you are, I want to tell you about PrepStock 2024. It's a year out from now. I will leave a link down below. You guys can figure it out. Right now, the website's really basic, but yeah, it's going to be good stuff, guys. It's going to be good stuff. Check it out.